Hello, I'm Helen. I attended the workshop on healthy immune and lymphatic system that was conducted by Abhyasa last Saturday. It was a very useful session. She had structured the workshop so well that we could first understand what is the lymphatic system and how it benefits us by keeping it healthy. For me, as a working woman and a mother of two teens, it's always a continuous race against time. This 90-minute session, it helped me to pause, to ponder, and to understand the benefits, and also the tips that she provided while demonstrating the exercises. It is the key takeaway for me because I can incorporate it quite seamlessly into my daily routine. This will indeed help me in my journey towards a healthier lifestyle. I will definitely recommend these sessions to people who would like to make small but conscious changes in their lifestyle to achieve a healthier you. Thank you, Abhyasa, for a wonderful session.